Worst impacts are heavy snow, as you can see, coming down tonight in the upper Midwest. And that's where we find our Mike Seidel, who is live in the Twin Cities this evening. Good evening, Mike. What do you have coming up? We do have a severe thunderstorm watch. Find out how long this will last. It could produce hail, damaging winds, and the threat of tornadoes. Well, that is not out of the question. This is all in the middle of tornado week. Our storm checker, Jim Cantori, is live tonight in Oklahoma. Jim, what do you have coming up? But we have more coming up next on Abrams and Bettis. Here's a preview. Watch out for hail. It could be up to 1.5 inches in diameter. There it is for you, the severe weather threat until midnight overnight. So a lot of you are going to bed. Make sure there's a way that you can be woken up. Now, it is bringing heavy rain, but not severe weather up and around Chicago. That's where we are getting the rain tonight. We can slide our radar up into Chicagoland and show you that rain is basically coming from the west to the east. Can we get this radar going here? Let's move it along. All right, there we go. Rockford, Chicago, you're about to get nailed with very heavy rain. That's indicated by where you see the orange and red on the radar. That means very heavy rain's coming down, and as we head even farther north, that's where the snow is coming down. Places from Green Bay on into Minneapolis. There's still more snow in the forecast. Minneapolis looks like 1 to 3 left for you. Over the next 24 hours, Green Bay, we could see 4 to 6, and then over towards Traverse City, we could see some 5 to 8 inches as it's just creeping into the area. One place that's been snowing throughout the afternoon hours, that is Minneapolis. That's where Mike Seidel has been located through the day today. And actually, Mike, I heard you talking about thunder snow a little bit earlier. Was that true? Did you hear any? Did you hear any thunder?
I did not hear any thunder, but we did have some in the southern suburbs. In fact, with that convection, Stephanie, you know, we talked
from this picture. It looks miserable, actually, with both of them, don't you think? All right, we go from all the precipitation that's falling to not enough precipitation in the southeast. But guess what? You see that snow? It might happen in the south. What are you talking about, Abrams? Well, first it's going to bring rain to some of the drought areas, especially here around western North Carolina and also into western South Carolina. But the drought areas in Texas, we aren't going to see any. But as we head through our Friday and Saturday, look at this snow dropping down from the Midwest. This could actually bring snow to the south. First, we could see up to 3 inches of rain, which is great news. But I want to talk about the snow. Forget about the rain. Snow in the south is way more exciting, isn't it? Places like Atlanta, Georgia. Are we going to see snow? Let's have a look at our forecast. Holy cow! On Sunday we can see snow. It gets so exciting, doesn't it, in the south when we get snow? It doesn't stop there. However, places like Birmingham, we could see snow as well for our Sunday. Then it dries out and it warms up as well. If you get snow in your area, especially in the south where we don't typically see it, make sure you email it to us at abramsandbettis@weather.com. I don't know about you guys, but I'm getting pretty excited about this. Well, your local on the 8s are coming up next, and we're going to be right back with these stories and more.